Welcome back to Car Reviewpedia, your go-to channel for everything cars and bikes. Today, we have an exciting review that's sure to captivate motorcycle enthusiasts and speed lovers alike. We're diving into the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa, a legendary motorcycle that's been a symbol of power and performance since its debut. If you're a fan of speed, precision engineering, and stunning design, then this review is just for you. The Suzuki Hayabusa has always been a standout in the world of superbikes. Known for its blend of raw power, cutting-edge technology, and sleek aesthetics, it's no surprise that the Hayabusa has maintained its legendary status over the years. The 2025 model takes things up a notch, with refined features that enhance its performance, comfort, and safety. So, let's take a closer look at what makes this bike so special. First, let's talk about the heart of the Hayabusa, the engine. The 2025 model is equipped with a 1340cc inline-4 engine, a powerhouse designed for top-tier performance. Suzuki has fine-tuned the engine to deliver incredible horsepower and torque. Whether you're on the highway or taking it for a twisty road adventure, the Hayabusa's engine will provide all the power you need, with smooth acceleration and a top speed that is still among the fastest in the world. The 2025 Hayabusa doesn't just offer brute strength, though. It's engineered for maximum performance and efficiency, which means better fuel economy and lower emissions while retaining that jaw-dropping power. Handling and suspension are key components for any superbike, and the 2025 Hayabusa excels in both areas. Suzuki has equipped this model with advanced suspension technology, including fully adjustable KYB forks in the front and a mono-shock rear suspension. This allows riders to fine-tune the bike for a more comfortable ride or a more aggressive, race-like feel depending on their preferences. The result is a bike that feels stable and controlled even at high speeds, yet nimble enough for tight corners. When it comes to braking, the Hayabusa's performance is equally impressive. It features dual Brembo disc brakes with anti-lock braking system (ABS) as standard, ensuring that you can stop on a dime even in tricky situations. The advanced braking system, paired with a lightweight chassis, makes the Hayabusa more responsive and easy to handle at any speed. Suzuki also hasn't skimped on technology. The 2025 Hayabusa comes loaded with modern rider aids, which include multiple riding modes, traction control, and a quick shifter for seamless gear changes. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the superbike world, these features make the Hayabusa easier to ride and much safer. The electronic throttle system offers precision control over acceleration, allowing you to tailor the bike's response to your riding style, making it ideal for both relaxed cruising and aggressive, high-speed riding. Now, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa is a beauty to behold. The design has been subtly updated to give it a more aggressive and aerodynamic look while maintaining its iconic silhouette. The front fairing is more streamlined, helping with airflow and reducing drag at high speeds. The rear has also been redesigned for better aerodynamics, making the bike look faster even when it's standing still. And of course, the build quality is top-notch, with Suzuki using premium materials that not only look good but also contribute to the bike's performance and longevity. Comfort is another area where the 2025 Hayabusa shines. Suzuki has worked on improving ergonomics, ensuring that riders will enjoy longer trips without feeling fatigued. The seat is plush yet firm, providing support where it's needed most, and the handlebars are set at a height that promotes a comfortable riding position. Whether you're taking the bike out for a quick ride or heading out on a long journey, the Hayabusa's ergonomics make it a joy to ride. Lastly, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa comes at a premium price, but it's well worth the investment for those who crave top-tier performance and cutting-edge technology. With its world-class engineering, jaw-dropping speed, and futuristic features, the Hayabusa offers incredible value for money, especially when you consider its performance in comparison to other superbikes in the same category. In conclusion, the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa is a worthy successor to its legendary lineage. It delivers everything you could want in a superbike: unmatched performance, advanced technology, a comfortable ride, and a design that turns heads. Whether you're a longtime fan of the Hayabusa or new to the world of superbikes, this model is sure to impress. If you're looking for a motorcycle that combines raw power with refined engineering, the 2025 Hayabusa should be at the top of your list. Thanks for tuning into this review on Car Reviewpedia. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews on the latest cars and bikes. Drop a comment below if you have any thoughts or questions about the 2025 Suzuki Hayabusa, and we'll see you in the next video.